In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis in Trello. Emojis are a quick way to make your boards more visual and scannable. They help you highlight priorities, categorize tasks, and add personality to your workspace without changing your existing workflow. Start by opening your board. Make sure you're on the board where you want to add emojis, and click into any text box so your cursor is active. You can use emojis natively in almost all text fields in Trello, including board names at the very top, list titles across your board, individual card titles, and the longer card descriptions. Wherever you can type text, you can usually add an emoji right alongside it. If you're on Windows, the fastest method is built right into the system. With your cursor in the text box, press the Windows key and the period, or the Windows key and the semicolon. That opens the system-wide emoji picker. Browse by category, or simply start typing a keyword like check, fire, or calendar to filter the options. Click the emoji you want, and it will appear exactly where your cursor is in Trello. If nothing happens, just make sure the text field is selected and try the shortcut again. On a Mac, the process is just as simple. Click into the text field you're editing, then press Ctrl, Command, and space together to open the emoji viewer. Use the search bar to find what you need quickly. Then double-click your emoji to insert it. You can close the panel when you're done. Your emoji will sit right next to your text in the board name, list title, card title, or description you're editing. On mobile, you'll use your device's built-in keyboard. Tap into the Trello field you want to edit to bring up the virtual keyboard, then tap the smiley face icon to switch to the emoji layout. Choose your emoji, and it drops straight into the text. When you exit the field, Trello saves your changes automatically. A few quick tips to keep things clear and useful. Add emojis where they improve readability, like a checkmark or star at the beginning of a list title, or a calendar emoji at the start of a due date related card. Keep your choices consistent so your team recognizes what each icon means at a glance. And remember, emojis behave like normal characters, so you can mix them with words or use more than one when it makes sense. That's all there is to it. Open your board, click into a text box, and use your platform's emoji picker. Simple, fast, and surprisingly powerful.